Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack opening, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right to it. So I have to open this for your guys' proof that I didn't open it beforehand. And plus there's 100 mint cards and 4 rare or ultra rare hollows. First card is a Mare, which is pretty good. A Crescelic Pink Chill, whatever. A Crescentron Impact. A Damage Diet. Punch in the Box. Laser Quilt. Cheselita. Sorry that I can't pronounce these as well. UA Powder Jessery. Magic Star Illusion. Hexatriarnite. Stellarnite Bellatrix, I believe it's pronounced. Lynn Bloom. Doo Driver. Super Heavy Samurai Soul Flare Suit. Black Spider. Go Gotta organize these. Super Heavy Samurai Soulbreaker Armor. TGX 300. Another one. TG Net Falcon. Another one. Pretty sweet. A TG Catapult Dragon. Evolate Odonton 2, whatever. UA Powered Jersey. Fire Formation Kyle. Mystic Water Dragon. Secret Stack Durandul. Malevolent Knife. I believe we already went through like a quarter of these, so we're doing pretty decent with these. Be honest, I'm sorry that I can't pronounce these. Magnum Shield. My bad. Ghost Struck Stein. Mecha Phantom Beast Black Vulcan. Ghost Drug Museum. Gravekeeper's Ambassador. Numeral Horror Uniform. Brotherhood of the First Fist, Garbiel, Conroe, normally, Mile Keeper and Carrier. A Conroe, normally, Winged Sphinx. Scrap Factory, Black and White Wave, a XYZ Shift, a Fairy Mental Meteor Crash, a Quaipalu, Mystical Beast of the Forest. Never heard some of these before, especially that one. Some of these are pretty powerful. Fishborg Anchor. Oh, Archer. Gorgonite Ghoul. Sonic Warrior, Sonic Chick, Doo Witch. I gotta say we are about halfway done. It's looking so far in the group. So yeah. A Golden Form, Divine Wind of the Mist Valley, Mirror Mall, Ego Boost, Rainbow Veil, Doo Swordsman, another Doo Swordsman, a Doo Witch. We're getting a lot of doo creatures. Zenmetrich, Ego Boost, Monster Slots. Sounds like a casino game. Ghost Shark Skeleton, Secret Second Dronewid, Chrysotron Smugger, Evolutile Grangroll, Black Boost, Spirit's Blessing, Performal Change Riff, another Spirit's Blessing, another Performal Change Graph, a Performal Flip Hippo, a Marmar, a Predator Moray Nielsen. Not really sure how to pronounce these. But I do have to say, we are about 75% into this pack opening. And half of these I gotta say are pretty good. Some of these are not so good. Deep Sea, Deep Space Cruiser XIX. Alright. Arrow Recharge. Mecha Photon Beast Cold Wing. Beijing Boar. Mecha Phantom Beast Stealth Ray. Cyber Mirror Knight. Ghost Struck Mummy. Cypher Mirror Knight. Ghost Struck Yunki Onna. Cyber Mirror Knight. D-7 Nicolia. Don't see Spanos. A Performo Bit Bite Turtle. Xenia Zebra. A Luna Light Wolf. Luna Light Tiger. Inca Knight Migrave. Another, oh no, not Inca Knight, Inca Knight, Gallant, Dragon goes the Empowered Warrior, Wall of Disruption, Unimposed, Unfield Front, Trick Box. And it looks like we are about at the top 10 cards. So we are like almost done with the cards. We just have like 10 more, and hope you guys are still tuned in. UA Penalty Box. Unimposed. Luna Light Tiger. Cross Attack. Evo Miracle. So you just have to flip some of these cards over. Luna Light Wolf. Risebell the Summoner. Giga, the Fierce Knight. Wait. I believe this is, oh god, they are the Fierce Knight. Sweet! He's pretty good. Set of bullets, the Witch of Faith. The Celtic Guardian, he's pretty good. The Corrupted Keys. And last but not least, our final card. And I told this baby is really good. Gusto Velkin. Well, looks like that's it with the pack opening. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Leave it a thumbs up and hope you subscribed.